Zhejiang Green Valve and Fitting Company Limited is a professional company specializing in the design, manufacturing, and service of valve and pipe fittings. Our factory is located in Taizhou City, Zhejiang Province, which is in close proximity to Ningbo Port. Our main products include PVC double union ball valves, couplings, flanges, butterfly valves, check valves, ordinary ball valves, water supply and drainage PVC fittings, PVC fittings, rain gutters, and transparent series, which are widely used in water supply, irrigation, agriculture, water treatment, swimming pools, chemical and pharmaceutical industries. We prioritize quality control and have obtained ISO 9001 and NSF certifications. All products undergo 100% submerged testing before leaving the factory. Our company is committed to pursuing technological innovation and progress while maintaining strict quality control. Our company has 40 injection molding machines, including fully automatic robotic injection molding machines, and 2 quality inspection machines. We also have 3 production lines for pipes. Our R&D department provides strong technical support, enabling us to accept OEM and ODM projects. We have exported to over 40 countries including Europe, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, the Middle East, and South Africa. We are dedicated to providing high-quality products and services to our customers worldwide. With a commitment to excellence, we strive to be a reliable partner for our customers.
Hello, dear buyer. Welcome to our shop. Here is Johnson from Zhejiang Green Valve and Fitting. We can provide PVC and CPVC ball valve, union valve, check valve, and all standard fittings. The valves we can provide standard with ANSI, BS, DIN, GS, and CNS. Welcome inquiry.